If you've ever looked at your AI output and thought, that's not what I meant at all, you don't have a tool problem, you have a prompt problem. And there's a dead simple fix for it inside Claude that almost nobody's using. So here's what we're actually doing today. I'm going to show you how to set up 3 Claude projects. One for writing image generation prompts, one for video generation prompts, and one for improving any regular prompt you write. Once these are set up, you just drop in a quick idea, and Claude hands you back a polished, ready-to-use prompt that actually works. No more guessing, no more bad outputs. And the best part? Projects are available on Claude's free plan. You don't have to pay a single thing to follow along. Just sign up for a free account and pull it up. This whole thing takes about 10 minutes to configure, and you'll have it ready to use for life. I already took care of the hard part. Every prompt and instruction in this video is in the description, free, copy and paste ready. So scroll down, grab it, and let's go. All right, let's talk about what Claude projects actually are, because if you haven't used them before, they're kind of a big deal. Think of a regular Claude conversation like talking to someone with no memory. Every time you start a new chat, it forgets everything. It doesn't know what tools you use, what style you like, or what you're trying to do. A project fixes that. You give Claude a set of permanent instructions, kind of like a job description, and every single conversation inside that project starts with Claude already knowing exactly what its job is. You don't have to re-explain yourself every time. Okay, let's build them. I wrote out every prompt and instruction from this video and dropped it in the description below. So instead of scrambling to copy things off your screen, just grab it from there and follow along. Project 1. Image Generation Prompts. Name this one something simple. Image Prompt Writer works fine. In the instructions box, paste the prompt from the description below. That's your base. Now here's how you level it up. If you primarily use one tool, say you love Flux, add a line that says, optimize all prompts for Flux image generation. If you want to control the format, add, always write the prompt in a single paragraph, not a bullet list. You can even add your personal preferences. Something like, I prefer cinematic, moody lighting. Apply this unless told otherwise. Hit save. That's project 1 done. Now anytime you're about to generate an image, open this project, type something as simple as a dog in a coffee shop, and Claude will hand you back something like a golden retriever sitting at a wooden cafe table near a sunlit window, latte cup on the table, soft morning light, shallow depth of field, warm tones, shot on 35mm film, photorealistic. That's a prompt that actually produces something good. Project 2. Video Generation Prompts. Video prompts are a completely different animal, and this is where most people really struggle, because what works for image generation does not work for video. Video generators like Seedance, Kling, or Veo need motion. They need camera movement. They need to know what's happening over time. A static description gives you a weird frozen clip. Name this project Video Prompt Writer and paste the instructions from the description. That part about shot structure is huge. If you've watched my previous videos on Seedance, you know that breaking your prompt into labeled shots is what unlocks multi-shot generation. Claude will now do that automatically every time. You can also add default to 16:9 cinematic aspect ratio unless I say otherwise. Save it. Project 2 is done. So now, if you type 2 people arguing in a rainy parking lot at night into this project, you'll get back a structured, multi-shot, camera-directed prompt that's ready to drop straight into your video tool. Project 3. Enhance any prompt. This one's my personal favorite because it's the most flexible. Maybe you're writing a prompt for ChatGPT. Maybe you're writing instructions for an automation. Maybe you want to improve a system prompt for an AI agent. This project handles all of it. Name it Prompt Enhancer and grab the instructions from the description. The key phrase to include is, don't make it longer than it needs to be. Without that, AI tends to pad everything. This keeps the output tight and actually usable. You can also add, if the prompt is for a creative task, preserve the voice and style. If it's for a technical task, prioritize precision and clarity. Save it. That's project 3. Now before you write a prompt for anything, a chatbot, an image, a workflow, whatever, paste your rough draft into this project and Claude cleans it up for you. It's like having a second pair of eyes that's read every prompt engineering guide ever written. Here's a bonus move that makes these projects even more powerful. Inside any project, you can upload files. So if you have a brand document, a character reference sheet, or a style guide, drop it right in, and Claude will reference it automatically. That's the kind of workflow that saves you serious time and keeps your content consistent. So there you go. All 3 project instructions, ready to copy and paste, is in the description below. If this saved you some time, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more stuff like this. I'll see you in the next one.